Here's a simple method for obtaining direction, and it's known as the last stick, first stick method. I got this from Dave Canterbury and it's absolutely brilliant. You punch a stick in the ground and we get another two sticks of the same size. And late in the day, if you've hiked somewhere and you want to get an estimate of direction and you don't have a compass, what we do, we wait till the sun goes down. So as the sun is setting, we take one of our sticks and we point it. Say, for example, the sun's not setting at the moment, but say, for example, the sun is setting this way. We put one stick pointing at the sun setting. Then we go to sleep, and next morning we come back. Well, we get up in the morning, and in the morning we take note of where the sun rises, at sunrise. And we take our other stick and we point it at the sun. Let's say, for example, the sun is rising over there. We then point our stick at the sun. That's giving us a place where the sun is rising and a place where the sun is setting. And all we do is get one more stick, join those two together, and that gives us a very straight east-west line. And at 90 degrees to that is due north. And that is a very, very easy method and very simple method of obtaining direction. And you don't have to use a shadow stick and mark it throughout the entire duration of a day. You can mark one point at night, go to bed, wake up the next morning and do the same again, and you've just achieved the same thing in a much more simpler method.